Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2019 Honda Civic EX. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a nice little backup camera. Got those nice Honda lights with splash guards in the rear and front. We do get a side view camera on the right side there, license plate bracket, we do get a remote start, and that nice Honda grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You can collapse your rows from right here. You do get your normal storage underneath as well with your spare tire, which is all fun stuff. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this black cloth interior, you got floor mats, carpet interior. We do get cup holders and arm space in the back, and quite a fair bit of door space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, as well as the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, but we do get these nice racing stripe accents, which is pretty nice. Plenty of door space up front, windows, lights, all that jazz. Your trunk, got your collision, traction, lane keep, and your right side camera. Taking a look at the vehicle while lids are running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 67,705 kilometers. We do get a leather-wrapped steering wheel, we have a cruise control, the Honda logo, you have your voice, phone, back, toggle-free screen, volume, and different screens. We do get a digital speedometer, maintenance, music, phone, kilometers per hour, all that stuff, and navigation. To my right, we got cup holders, you got a center console that does go up and down, and you can move these out for more storage underneath, and you get a little outlet down there. Parking brake, brake hold, eco mode, gear select with storage, and you do get quite a bit of storage down here with some outlets. Heated front seats with dual climate up front. You got heated mirrors, rear defrost, storage below, hazards. Got our features for our sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And we got our brightness right here. We're gonna go home real quick. Oh, we're already home. Audio, info, Honda link, phone settings, smartphone, all that jazz. Instrument panel, blank screens, all that fun. You got your audio, phone, and we're just gonna go back. You got your volume. Come on. And all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UA12355B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.